If you just got your hands on the PS5 Pro, then you're going to want to know how to set it up. Luckily, the process is quite easy and quick. So here's a step-by-step guide that will have you diving into exclusive games like Marvel's Spider-Man 2 and The Last of Us Part 1 in no time. You will need your PS5 Pro console and a compatible monitor or TV. Having your mobile phone with the PlayStation app on hand is also useful, but entirely optional. The first step is to unbox your PS5 Pro console. Make sure that you have the console, power cord, HDMI cable, as well as the little horizontal stand feet. Now, attach the feet to the console like this and lay it flat. Connect the PS5 Pro to your TV or monitor using the included HDMI cable, and connect the power cord. Once you've plugged it all in, you can boot it up. Next, you need to follow the on-screen prompts, which will walk you through pairing the controller, tweaking the display size, your language selection, and so on. Connect to the internet when prompted, and download any system update if it's required. You will also likely be asked to update the DualSense controller, so follow the steps on screen for that as well. Then you need to sign in with your PlayStation account. This is where having a phone and the PS app on hand comes in, as it can be used to log in super quickly. If you don't already have a PlayStation account, you can follow the steps to create one. You will then be asked whether you would like to transfer data from an existing PS5 or PS4 console. Of course, if this is your first PlayStation, then you can ignore this. If you do have an existing PS5 or PS4 though, make sure that it's switched on and connected to the same local network as your PS5 Pro. This can either be via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, which will make the transfer a bit quicker. You can choose what exactly to transfer over too. The more apps, games, and data you choose, the longer it'll take. If you'd rather, you can complete this step later, or simply manually re-download your games and data onto the PS5 Pro. Otherwise, you're then all ready to go. Enjoy your PS5 Pro gaming, and be sure to check out our thoughts in our detailed PS5 Pro review on our YouTube channel.